In its endeavor to maximize the contribution of the infrastructure system of its logistic to raise the economic return and the added local value, the Oman Logistics Centre of the Minister of Transport and Communication and Information Technology carried out the 5th Logistical Linkage and Integration Workshop in the governorates of Muscat and South Al-Batina, with the participation of a number of concerned government and private agencies and the logistics community.
Aiming from this kind of workshops is to gather all the challenges and also to gather the proposed solutions for such challenges. We're aiming before the mid of this year that we introduce the executive or the implementation plan for the Oman Logistics Centre, and that will focus on introducing the prioritized number of initiatives, mainly enabling initiatives.
The workshop reviewed the current directions to maximize the benefit from the logistics system in the governorate of Muscat and South Al-Batina through the integration of the link between the logistics system, logistical cities, and air, sea, and land ports.
Lots of opportunities when it comes to air, sea, air cargo. The logistic hub was built in many locations in the Sultanate, and the good thing is that the airport is always next to the logistics hubs around the Sultanate. We're having certain KPIs, certain milestones that we're trying to achieve, and hopefully those numbers will be achieved during this year and the next years.
Exerted efforts in linking the pillars of the transport system by land, sea, and air in line with the aspirations and objectives of Oman Vision 2040 and the National Logistics Strategy 2040.
When we look at Vision 2040 and what the nation wanted to achieve with regards to logistics, we have had really very aggressive plans. We want to be one of the top 10 countries in the world by 2040. We want to achieve way higher revenues from logistics, to involve it with the GDP. At the moment, we can see very good improvement looking at the LPI, the Logistics Performance Index, where we were 4 years ago and where we are today. And no doubt it will be a challenge to reach to the top 10, but with dedication, hard work, and coordination between the different organizations, inshallah, that is achievable.
A number of logistical indicators for the year 2022 were presented as the logistical contribution to the gross domestic product amounted to 1.5 billion Omani Riyals, or 7% of the gross domestic product, while the Sultanate's classification in the competitiveness index reached 53, and in the trade facilitation index, the Sultanate achieved the rank the first in the Gulf, according to the reports of international indicators.